Welcome back to my Come Dine With Me series where I share recipes from my supper clubs that are perfect for hosting and entertaining. So we're up to episode 7, I believe, and it is my Baklava Focaccia. Now you guys know that I love focaccia. You know I love baklava, so I thought why not combine the two? And this is just one variation. So my traditional baklava recipe uses walnuts. You could use pistachios, you could use hazelnuts, you could add chocolate to it, whatever you like. So I made my basic dough recipe and added some ground cinnamon to that, let it rest, and then I tipped it into the baking tray and I food processed some walnuts, brown sugar, caster sugar, orange blossom, some ground cinnamon in a food processor. And I sprinkled 3/4 of that mixture into the dough and I wrapped it up like a burrito so that it was all nestled nicely inside. Let it go down for another nap. Then I sprinkled the remainder of that nut mixture over the top with a little bit of olive oil, dimpled it, baked it until it was golden, and then right out of the oven you want to add this simple syrup mixture that I also added some orange blossom and lemon juice to over the top because the dough will really absorb all of that flavor. Let it cool down slightly, slice it up, and there you go. It is so delicious for a dessert that's not too sweet and a bit different from the traditional filo pastry recipe.